Are you feeling lucky, punk? Have you heard Dirty Harry's classic line? But here's a twist, your health or your money? A serious question, not a game of chance. Baby boomers, you'll recognize this. It's a stark reminder of the importance of personal health care. See, many of us hesitate at the price tag of health products. We ask, how much? But remember, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. It's simpler, easier to prevent than to cure. And what's at the heart of it all? In today's world, we have two problems: nutritional deficiencies and exposure to toxins. The products we use, our environment, they all play a part. Health, ultimately, is about cells and cellular health. Understanding this bit can make a world of difference. So, are you feeling lucky or are you choosing health? Remember, it's not a gamble, it's a choice. Make it wisely. Take a moment. Let that sink in. Picture your body, a vital system needing nutrition and defense against toxins. This is your health, not an indulgence, and essential. High stakes aren't games. Your health or your money, not a gamble, it's a choice. Make it wisely.